In this video, I'll show you how to create a full multicolor canvas engraving using a fiber laser, from painting the layers to the finished piece. We start by preparing the canvas. First, I paint it white. Once that is dry, I apply yellow. We always work from the lightest colors to the darkest. Next comes red and finally black. That is all the preparation we need. Now on our website, navigate to imag-r in the menu. For this project, I am using One Click to prepare my image for engraving. Upload the photo you want to engrave on the canvas. After uploading, the first step is choosing your material. For painted canvases, I use the white tile painted black algorithm. Now here is something important. To make multiple colors visible with a fiber laser, we need to disable dithering. I am using 508 dpi for my laser. I keep the larger side at 150 millimeters since I am using a 150 millimeter lens. Click Prepare Image and imag-r creates your engravable photo fully automatically, and here is our result. Optimal grayscale, perfect tones, and every detail clean and visible. That is all we need to do here. We can now download the image as a PNG and import it into our laser software. For my 50-watt fiber laser, I am using 400 millimeters per second, 22% maximum power, 1% minimum power, 36 kilohertz frequency, and 500 nanosecond pulse. With these settings, I have achieved the best results in a single pass. Important: make sure the image mode is set to grayscale and pass-through is disabled. Also, make sure your interval value matches your DPI value to get the best possible result. That is all there is to it. Now we can start the engraving. As you can see right away, we are getting different optimal colors coming through without damaging or overburning the canvas at any point. Once the engraving is finished, I use a soft brush to remove any residue and dust from the process. And here is our finished multicolor canvas. Yellow, red, black. All visible, all sharp, every single detail exactly where it should be. No overburning, no artifacts, nothing smeared, and especially at the right angle and in the right light, the colors are absolutely breathtaking. Prepare your first image today at imag-r.com, completely free.